I draw circles in the dirt, hoping they'll become doors. They never do. Rejected them, it always knew. Every question's just a scar on time. Every answer tastes like a secondhand crime. I'm digging holes just to feel the ground, but nothing's beneath me, there's no profound. The combined inside keeps you in the day, grinding the mean until it's thrown away. Open your eyes, nothing to see. Open your mouth, nothing to be. Truth is a riddle with missing parts. Faith is a hammer for broken hearts. And I'm running in circles in the dirt, looking for answers in the echo of hurt. Every seed I touch just turns to stone in a field where I'm forever alone. Who sold the harvest? Who bought the lie? Who caged the question? Who taught me why? Systems spinning, they're not even real, but I break my hands on their rusted steel. Open your hands, nothing to hold. Open your chest, nothing but cold. The combine laughs with mechanical breath, sowing the silence, reaping running in circles in the dirt, looking for answers in the echo of hurt. Every seed I touch just turns to stone in a field where I'm forever alone. Running in circles in the dirt, looking for answers in the echo of hurt. Every seed I touch just turns to stone in a field where I'm forever alone. You wanted truth, I found a glitch. You wanted freedom, it came with a switch. You wanted light, it burned my skin. You wanted meaning, but there's nothing within. And I'm running in circles in the dirt, harvesting silence, pretending it's worth. Every field I see is already gone, and the combine sings, you're never alone. You're never alone, just empty together.